going on, guys? Today I'm gonna be doing the oil change on the RSX. It's been about, I'm thinking like 5,000 miles to be honest. I kind of let it go a little bit more than I usually do. I try to do about 3,000 miles, but I don't know, I guess I just been kind of lazy. I've been putting that what is it? Let me show you guys real quick. I know T-Mobile wants that extended performance, so it does say 15,000 miles with guaranteed protection, which I really doubt that. But I guess 5,000 isn't as bad as 15,000, right? So I got the oil, I got this filter. Ordered a bunch of these from eBay a while back ago. I forgot how much it was, but it was pretty cheap. I ordered like 6 of them or something like that. By the way, if you guys know about Honda motors, Acura, whatever, same thing, Honda, check it out. Honda, and this is Acura. So this is a K20 A2. This is a Type S engine. Got a header, race header, cold air intake from engine, and Honda reflash. So it's a decent, fun little car. Probably making a little bit under 200 horsepower. Revs up to 8,500, so I really like that. I think that's pretty cool. It's 2.0, as you can see. 3-4 years, something like that. And really the only issue it gave me is it had a bad clutch. It went out and I got it replaced. Other than that, the car's been doing great. I've been doing some mods, RPF1 wheels, BC coilovers. This drop, but it's not too much. Kept it fully functional. It's actually pretty low in the back because I have a bunch of stuff in here. So I do detail off of this car. And I'll probably just get it cleaned. There's a bit of a chance of rain. I'm gonna go ahead and get it cleaned just for the purpose of the video. Alright, let's get to the oil change. Taking this off and gonna start jacking it up right now. Got this big old thing so the car won't roll back. Jack and my, what are these called again? I forget what these are called. Jack stands. Jack stands. Steal some of my mom's cardboard she has right here, so I don't make a big old mess. Then my dad gets upset, which I understand because it looks ugly to have a bunch of oil in the driveway. I think that should be fine. Alright, so I got the car jacked up, both front sides. Now let's go look for the oil catcher, whatever, the big pan thing, oil pan thing. Should be back here somewhere. Back here full of who knows what the hell this is. Ooh, this is pretty freaking nasty. Oh god, I'm gonna have to clean this thing. Fuck. Alright, so I need to go down here and figure out what size is that bolt, because I forgot. Alright. 17 it is. Lefty loosey, right? God, that was a pain in the ass. Sorry, I got it opened up. I don't know if you could tell, but that stuff was nasty. Damn. What am I doing? There, clean oil. I'm gonna go ahead and do an engine bay cleanup on the car. Not too bad, but it is pretty dirty here and there. Just mostly just dusty. Haven't gave it a good cleaning. It's gonna be a quick little detour on the engine bay. And after that, gonna go ahead and start washing the whole car. I'm gonna use the same bucket to do the wheels after the engine bay. Degreaser. This will do. Go ahead and spray it with some shine, some dressing. And that right there, my friends, is a quick engine bay cleaning. There's still some water here and there. I'm gonna come back at the end of the detail of the whole wash. I'm gonna come back, open up the hood, wipe it all down one more time, because there is gonna be some water pouring from the cracks and stuff when I'm washing the car. But car looking a lot better already. A little quick engine bay cleaning. Got some water in here. Like I said, I'll be back and I'll give it a wash. A wipe down. Go ahead and get started with the wheels. And the greaser to cut it down faster, the dirt.
What do you want to eat?
I don't know, it don't really matter.
We have no idea what to eat.
It's my silica spray on wax.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Downtown area here in Houston. And sorry about the train. They got a whole meet going on over here. Bunch of cars. It's actually pretty good. RS6 looking sexy. Ooh. You know your boy gotta look clean. Always. Cause if I look dirty, you know, somebody asks me what I do, and I say I detail, they're gonna be like, bro, your car's dirty though. I don't know. I know you guys might not like this, but I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, for sure.
You know what this called?
I forgot.
Name,
It's
bro.
a Ben something. It's from
Starts with a
Japan.
B.
It's from Japan.
Hell yeah.
A Benzai, Benzi, some shit like that.
Yeah.
I seem to see this car everywhere. Like always, getting all the attention. Clean ass car. Things getting pretty wild. There's a lot of people here, which is cool. There's actually some cops earlier. I didn't get no footage. There were some cops and somebody did a two-step. They got a ticket. Probably my favorite part right here. Damn, that G35 is clean. You alright? Find somebody got it right. Woo. That low life. barely missed. Barely missed it. Oh, Kamar's gonna burn out or what? Looks like that's it for the fun, for now. Lev, here with Jose, he's installing this brace for the parachute. I'm gonna be here, I'm gonna help him out for a little bit, then I'm gonna head home, and that's about it for this video.